How can I understand muscle naming conventions in anatomy? Imagine trying to learn a new language without any clues about what words mean. That's what understanding muscle names can feel like at first. But once you see the patterns, it all makes sense. Muscle naming conventions in anatomy are like a code that tells you about the muscle's shape, size, location, fiber direction, number of origins, attachments, and function. These clues help you decode what each muscle does and where it is. For example, many muscles are named for their shape. The word deltoid means triangular, like the Greek letter delta. Rhomboid looks like a diamond or rhombus, and trapezius resembles a trapezoid shape. Serratus means saw-toothed, describing the edge of some muscles, and orbicularis means circular, like muscles around the eyes or mouth. Size is another clue. If a muscle is called maximus, it's the largest. Minimus is the smallest, and medius is medium-sized. Longus indicates a longer muscle, while brevis means shorter. These words help you understand how big or small a muscle is compared to others nearby. Location is also key. Names like pectoralis refer to the chest, brachii to the arm, and femoris to the thigh. Words like lateralis mean toward the side, away from the middle, while medialis points toward the middle. Superior means above, and inferior means below. These words tell you exactly where the muscle is in the body. The direction of muscle fibers is another pattern. Rectus means fibers run straight, oblique indicates fibers run at an angle, and transversus describes fibers running horizontally. Knowing this helps you picture how the muscle pulls or moves. Some muscles are named for how many heads or origins they have. Biceps have 2 heads, triceps 3, and quadriceps 4. These names show how many points the muscle starts from. Names can also describe where the muscle attaches. For example, sternocleidomastoid starts at the sternum and clavicle and inserts on the mastoid process of the skull. Brachioradialis begins on the arm and attaches to the radius bone in the forearm. Finally, some names tell you what the muscle does. Flexor muscles bend joints, extensor muscles straighten them, adductors pull limbs toward the middle, and abductors move limbs away. Levator muscles lift or raise parts of the body. By breaking down muscle names into these parts, you can understand what each muscle is and what it does. For example, the flexor carpi radialis flexes the wrist and is near the radius bone. Recognizing these patterns makes learning muscle anatomy easier and more organized. It also shows how the muscular system controls and supports your body through movement and stability. So next time you see a muscle name, look for these clues to decode its story.